So we start off today's video with these bottle caps and some type of old can. So she's gluing those around the perimeter. Adding some texture. Wow, what a very cool chic plant pot. Very cool. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So next up, it looks like we have another DIY that features an old can. Now, this contact paper that she's using, to me, looks like real wood, especially from far away. So she's adding these legs and then using like some wood stain to make it blend in better with the contact paper. Such a cool project idea. Honestly, this looks like real wood to me. Very nice. Alright, so we got an IKEA hack with the bread boxes. So we've seen these IKEA bread boxes used several different times before. Let's see what they end up doing with theirs. So they added some legs to the bottom. Some black paint. Oh, I like how they left that wooden part. Yeah, that's a really nice color scheme. Wow, so pretty. Every time I see the bread box hack, I'm like, wow, this is just such a cool idea. All right, so we got some wooden sticks here. So they're making a diamond shape. Layering it. Oh, they made like a nice shelving here. Well, this is really cool. So they are adding some paint to it to make it look a little bit more, realistic and natural. Add some spice to it. Very cool. So we have another IKEA hack here. Looks like they're making some type of lamp. Ooh, I love the color she used for this. That's really pretty. Kind of reminds me of like sea glass, like the color of it. It's just gorgeous. All right, so we got some old paper towel rolls here. Oh, so they made flowers. We saw kind of a similar project the other day. They were making Christmas ornaments. I don't know if you guys remember that one. Wow, I cannot believe she made flowers out of like toilet paper rolls. That is so cool. And this could be just like a nice little basket. Maybe you can throw like your remote control in there, or, you know, some knickknacks. And then we have a vase. Now this is a very beginner-friendly project. Step into the world of doing your own projects. Very cool idea. I like how she used the old recycled plastic bottle for just, you know, the support. Nice eucalyptus leaves. Alright, so then we have what appears to be a wooden bamboo placemat and some type of plastic bucket container. I think they're probably going to make a side table with this, if I had to guess. So she cut the handles off. You know what? I don't think this is a placemat. I don't know. Oh, she might be making a laundry basket. Oh, she made a garbage can. Oh, wow. A decorative garbage can. Okay, I was not expecting that. That is too cute to be a garbage can. Way too cute. I would say use the same concept and like make a laundry basket or a table. Either one, but not a garbage can. It's way too cute and pretty to be a garbage can. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.